Assalamu alaikum grade 1. I am your computer science teacher Hera. Today we are covering our new chapter number 6. Okay, this chapter is about Excel, grade 1, and in this chapter basically we'll make a spreadsheet, okay, in which we will enter the data related to the toys and their numbers, okay, and the chapter name is numbers and data twice long ago, okay, and it is a very interesting chapter. In this we will study about the chapters. Chapter number 1 of your new semester, second semesters, okay. Basically I told you that computers can store numbers, computers can work out the answers to sum up. We will make a table in which we will make a record related to your toys, that how many toys you have, the numbers and their names, okay, and then we will in the end we will add the toys, okay. These are sitewise cell spreadsheet, label, value, data, edit and select, okay. Cell is basically intersection of row and column. This is called the cell, and each cell has a unique name. It's called a label name, okay. Every cell I have labeled this cell with the name of site words, okay. Added means I will make some changes in it for rectification, for updation, okay. Select mean I will select the screen by clicking it with the mouse like I'm selecting it, okay. In this way we will study about the Excel, okay. In class activity basically I will tell you about the name of the toys, different toys I will used to play in my childhood. Maybe most of you are familiar with them, maybe you will not. Then you will tell me which toy you will like or you will not, okay. Then the reasons of them. These are the numbers of toys. We most of the time we play with them, okay. And you maybe know but this toy is, okay. And the numbers basically we are right now are using spread 1 2 3 is basically developed in India and Arabia 1,000 years ago, okay. The numbers now we are using, okay. And in this chapter basically we will do how we can add, how we can sum with the help of the Excel, okay. Before that we will doing with the help of our finger, like with the help of the calculator. Now what we will do, we will learn how to use the spreadsheet, okay. Counting means we will count 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, okay. And in a small picture you can see there is a small boy who is holding a hammer, and there are the stones in front of them, and basically that kid is digging the ground, digging the stones into the small pieces, okay. Breaking the stone into a small pieces, okay. And then he will study it, texture, the sand texture, the sand colors, okay. What that profession is called the archaeologist. Archaeologist is a person who find out about the past by digging up things people have made. They go on digging to find the old things, okay. Imagine you are digging, you are on dig and you will find some old toys, okay. Like most of the time we will start finding the things, we are arranging the cupboard when the season change, and most probably we find the old things, okay. From the pockets, jacket pockets, from the sweaters pockets, maybe a small packet of a peanuts, or maybe money. So in this way we will digging, we finding the things from the ancient time, from the past, how they will live, what sort of weapons, utensil they will use, okay. And we will find the maybe we'll find the new strategies if we face this situation, current situation, like in current situation in COVID-19, people said please stay away, keep social distance, quarantine, okay. You can say even 1,000 years before, uh, people use this quarantine like this sort of a medicines, like this sort of a disease, okay. If we will study the history, we will find there are lots of uh, people, practitioners or medicians who use this technique for avoiding the other people from the disease, okay. So in this way we will do find the different things, finding the new thing by digging the our old toys, okay. Spreadsheet is look like this, it's a grid, okay. In this you can see a small boxes, okay. On small boxes there are the cells, okay, and each cell has a different name or letter name, okay. This cell is active cell, green, okay, green indicate that it is an active cell, okay, and the name of this cell is A1, means first row, first column, okay. Intersection of row and column is called the spreadsheet, okay, a grid, okay. Now come to the next page, how we can select. When we click on the spreadsheet, the cell active cell boundary will be changing, so, okay. It indicates that right now we are working in this cell, it's an active cell, okay. Now its activity related to this, that numbers of cells are given in this activity. You have to click the numbers according to the range given here, A1 like C3, E8, B4 and F10, okay. And then you have to tell me how you can select the cell, okay, and how you know that this cell is selected, okay. uh, Now you have to type your name, okay. Select a cell and type your name, okay, into it. Second, better what we are doing, we are entering the data. What is data? Data is a raw facts and figure, okay. And there are numbers of data types. Numerical data means your age, okay. Alphabetical data means your name. Alphanumeric means your home address, okay. So there are numbers of data raw facts and figure. When we arrange them, data will give us some information which tell us about some people, okay, about some person. Label is a word or a small number word, okay, words, okay. Here is like A B C D is a label, okay. We are labeling the column, okay, with the help of A B C, and row with the help of 1 2 3 4 5, okay. And then section of this column is called the cell, okay. And imagine you are an archaeologist finding an old toy. You want to make a list of the toys you have found. Can enter label by typing them into a cell. Now you have to click A1, okay, type twice, press enter, okay. In this way our data will be entered in the cells, okay. You have to save this spreadsheet with the help of toy, with the name of toy. If you not save it, you can't use it for further use, okay. Here is a toy, you can see it's a dove, okay, on a wheel from 15th century BC, and is an example of the ancient toy. Yeah, see, at that time their kids also used to play this sort of a toy. Right now we have automatic cars, automatic games, automatic moving animated animals, animated cartoons with have lights, music in it, okay. Now these sort of toys are different from us, okay. Now we will compare it, we will study it, how the ancient people use their toys, okay, for playing with for playing or to engage their kids, okay. Now you have to complete your work. Please write down your side words on your neat notebook, activity number 1 and 2, okay. On your neat notebook, share us, okay. And if you have any confusion still, you can ask us through your Zoom classes. Please take your Zoom classes regularly, so you can solve your homework with these sort of classes and videos too, okay. If you can't, then maybe you will not able to attempt your final paper, okay. Thank you so much, students. Stay at your home and stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz, okay.